Hey guys, it's Mark here and
Joe
with Gasratz. We are going to be installing some coilovers on the Meteor.
Yeah.
The Gasratz Meteor. How do you think this is going to go?
It should be a fairly easy process.
Right.
Hopefully it's just a bolt-on, but it should really wake the car up. Handling's going to be way better. Be able to adjust the ride height and stuff.
For sure.
Definitely going to be an upgrade for Meaty.
Yeah. So this might be the first Meteor that we know of.
Uncharted territory.
Territory that will have coilovers. So today we're going to go through and we're going to install the front coilovers. We'll kind of take you through that a little bit. And then episode 2, I think we'll jump in a little bit later and do the rears. It's going to take a little bit more fabrication with Joe, the fabricator here, builder. So we'll go through that a little bit later.
Yeah. Right on, guys. So stay tuned. We're going to get going. We're going to start getting the wheels off this turd and see what we can get into. All right, so the first thing I like to do whenever I'm doing any type of suspension work, especially in this car, since we're changing the springs and suspension completely, I like to get a baseline height. So what I do, I take tape measure from the center of the wheel up to the center of the arch there. I like to put a little piece of tape on it. What we're gonna try to do is with the coilovers, we're not trying to drop it. We want to try to match that height. So it's always cool to take measurements before you start tearing anything apart. And that's one thing I generally forget to do. It's on jack stands. I'm like, I didn't measure it. So we got this guy measured. We're gonna go ahead and jack it up, pull off the wheels, and start dismantling this thing. All right, so what we're doing here, we're just gonna pull the sway bar off. We're gonna need to break the top ball joint actually, so we can drop the spring and the shock out and stuff. So first step, and pull the sway bar off for now. I'll give me a ratchet then.
Ooh, what is that?
That's your, oh crap.
Say goodbye.
Bye, old crap. Bye, Monroe specials.
Bye, Monroe. See ya. Okay, so we successfully removed the shock.
Yep.
And now for the fun part.
Gotta get the springly-dingly
Get
out.
the springly-dingly out. It's gonna be under a little pressure, obviously, so make sure you're wearing your safety goggles.
Safety squints.
Safety squints.
I like this, boys and girls. Alright, let's get a pry bar and we'll yank her out.
Yank her out. We got the spring compressor and we're gonna compress the spring a bit so that we can yank and get this bad boy out. Just doing a quick setup here and then we'll get this thing popped out for you guys.
just got it. Top piece isolator, little spring compressor. I just gotta start mocking up the coilovers, put it back in there, see how far we can get today. All right, so it's a pretty cool kit. So this is the top spring pocket that bolts into the shock tower on the Meteor. And the Aldan kit supplies this little sucker. So we're gonna get rid of the little spring isolator that the spring used to sit in. We use this guy, and this will now isolate and receive the diameter of that spring. That's gonna go up into the car like that. This attaches to the upper control arm. Bolty bolty, canyon carving. Let's do this. Alright, so we got the shock in there. We make sure we have the adjuster on the outside for obvious reasons. The kit comes with this little spacer that you need to run on top here to space the shock up enough. And check it out, it even comes with grade 8 hardware. See if we can get this to drop in on camera. Oh, got it. That's beautiful. So the spacer keeps it up so the shock doesn't hit the control arm. This is a pretty well engineered kit. So right now Mark's jacking it up. I'm gonna hold it up on top here and get this eyelet through the center here. And then we'll go ahead and put the hardware on, tighten everything down. Excellent.
I need a deep socket on that one.
There it is. So we got it all installed, cinched up here. All you gotta do is run the jam nut. Everything's tight. Come down here, we got the adjust on the outside set to the center setting, which in this case is gonna be a 3. We'll start right there and adjust up or down, but guess what? Now we have to do the other side.
Let's do it. All right, so again, out with the old. Joe did the honors.
Out with the blue, in with the new.
And here's what I'm about to do with it. I'm about to drop kick it.
Hey Marky, put that on Craigslist.
Oh shoot.
$20.
Hey, little plug for us back here. Look too. Mobile Tech Lucky, one of our boys. Make sure you follow him. So to put everything in perspective for you, on the right here is the original shot. I can't say it's original. This did come out of, I believe it was a Ford Explorer. Someone put these in. Cool setup. But thanks to Aldan here, and this is what's going in. Super sweet setup. Got one more side to do. We'll be done in about 10 minutes.
3 beers.
10 minutes or 3 beers? About the same time, right?
Thing.
Right on. So second side always goes in a little bit easier. You already got the spring out.
Yeah, we're only 1 beer in.
1 beer in, yeah. I've already got the shock in, or the coilover in, sorry.
Got our spacer in there. Top side's already tight. Turn that on.
So as far as ease of installation so far?
Pretty freaking easy.
Pretty easy?
Removal's always the worst part.
Yeah.
Installing it so much easier.
Yeah. So we'll leave you the parts numbers for this kit. Obviously this is a Mercury Meteor 1962. But we'll leave the part information a little bit later in the video here for you guys.
Yeah, a little stiffer.
Hey,
It's
like
stiffer, but it's solid. It's good. It's handling well. I like it.
Got no body roll.
Dude, that's freaking sweet.
Right on, dude.
Loving it.
All right, boys and girls, that's it. We got her all put back together. Took it for a test drive. We measured everything. We're gonna play around with the shock adjustment, but boy, this thing handles great. No leans in the corner. We have a big sway bar on there anyway, but not like those old 62 springs, man. She'd be rolling around the corner.
Yeah.
She is firm. Really nice.
Super excited about these Aldan Americans. This was the Aldan American General Motors, just their front coilover conversion kit. You'll have to dial in or give them a call and they can get you the conversion or the part numbers. But we just told them we had the Mercury Meteor 1962 Mercury Meteor. Wasn't in our catalog, but they did a little research and found it out for us. So.
And it went together real nice. They know what they're doing.
Yep. So thanks again to Joseph Sander here for all the hard work and making it happen. If you liked the video, share, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. And then stay tuned for part 2, which will be the rear end.
Yeah, so we're still playing around. We might 4-link it. I don't know, 3-link it. We're still playing around, but we're gonna definitely get rid of them leaf springs because we're using these bad boys. Yeah. So follow us on Instagram, Gasratz Customs, Joseph Sander on Instagram. We're gonna get this stuff done.
All right, thanks guys. We'll see you.
Peace out. Later.